Today we will learn the post-operative care of cesarean section. Hello everyone, welcome back to Ananya's nursing tutorial. So cesarean section is an operative procedure whereby the fetus after the end of 28th week are delivered through an incision on the abdominal and uterine walls. So what is the care after cesarean section? Immediate care. In the immediate recovery period, the blood pressure should be recorded every 15 minutes. Temperature should be checked every 2 hours. The wound must be inspected every half an hour to detect any blood loss. The lochia are also inspected and drainage should be small initially. If you don't know what is lochia, it's the vaginal discharge after delivery and comes in 3 stages: lochia rubra, lochia serosa and lochia alba. Following general anesthesia, the mother should be nursed in left lateral position until she is fully conscious because the risk of airway obstruction. Next, after the first 24 hours, during the first 24 hours, so after 6 hours, when gradually the mother regains her consciousness, she is shifted to bed from observation, and then IV fluids with 5% dextrose or Ringer's lactate are continued. Blood transfusion for anemic mothers. Blood transfusion is very helpful in anemic mothers for the speedy post-operative recovery. Injection methadone 0.2 mg may be repeated intramuscularly to improve the muscle tone in the uterus after childbirth. Parenteral antibiotics is given for the first 48 hours. Analgesics are administered as required. Ambulation should be encouraged on the day following surgery and the baby is brought to her. So this is the care in the first 24 hours. After first 24 hours, the mother is slightly stable and then we will give the care according to her condition. So after 24 hours, the blood pressure, pulse and temperature should be checked every 4 hours. Oral feeding is started with clear liquids and then advanced to liquid and regular diet. IV fluids are continued for about 48 hours. Next, urinary catheter can be removed on the following day when the mother is able to get up and go to the toilet. The mother should be helped to get out of the bed as soon as possible and encouraged to become fully mobile. Postnatal exercises should be started. There is already a detailed video of postnatal exercise in the channel. I will give the link in the description box. Support should be provided for care of the baby with breastfeeding. By 4th or 5th day, the mother is usually discharged with the baby after a general health checkup. So these are the care of mother after cesarean section in the hospital, and after discharge she has to take care of some things. So what we will advise during discharge? Advice during discharge are, as cesarean section is a major surgery, so sufficient rest should be taken for recovery. Drink plenty of liquids to restore the fluid loss during surgery and through breastfeeding. Proper postnatal diet should be given. There is already a separate video of postnatal diet in the channel. I will give the link in the description box. Walking gently for 10 to 15 minutes daily will help in digestion and get rid out of constipation. Lifting heavy objects or doing anything that could put stress to the incision should be avoided. Mother must be advised to hold her belly while sneezing or coughing. So, these are some general advices during the discharge of the mother after cesarean section. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you have not done it yet. Thank you.